Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to assign different privileges or permission to different user account in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin and we are going to assign different permission to different user account. On top you see user account, so click on it. So this user account we have. If you want, you can create new user account. Now you see add user account, so click on it. So you can add username, password, and then you see database for user account, grant all privileges, create database. Now you see data structure admin, resource limit. So you can add or select according to requirement and then click on go. Again click on it. Now you see we have this username. So we are going to add or assign some privilege. Now you see edit privileges, so click on it. Now you see edit privileges user account. So this is a user account. If you want, you can assign global, check all. Now you see, so it's up to you. Or you can assign specifically like this. So you can select one by one according to requirement. If you want, you can assign global like this. So it's up to you. And then you see SSL, require none, and then click on go. And then you see you have updated the privileges for this user account. So you can assign different permission for different user account in PhpMyAdmin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.